Hey guys, welcome back to Morning Glory Apiary's YouTube channel. Been pretty busy last couple weeks around here. We've had a really good nectar flow on, early spring stuff, locust trees and honeysuckle done really well. Had a lot of stormy weather there. I had to shake all my bees down to the bottom box and pulled all my splits from the top box afterward for the queen cells I'd made, and ended up pulling 36 splits out of them, and a few of them really didn't need to be split. I hated to do it, but I've done made the queen cells. I hated the knots, but most of them's making pretty good honey right now, and you know, the ones that aren't, man, they'll be right for the clover flow, I hope. But I'm just going to get through a hive and just check them out and see what they look like, make sure they're not swarmy or nothing. Going to have to use the hive lifter today. I've done twisted my knee and pulled the tendon in my elbow and made my shoulder sore, so no more slinging boxes for me. I'm going to have to make myself slow down and use the hive lifter, but we'll get at it and I'll take you with me. Thanks for watching, y'all. All right, guys, we're going to get into this one. Just go down in this bottom box and make sure the queen's right and make sure they're not swarmy, and just give them a peek. Hopefully they'll stop being swarmy here pretty soon and get to making honey. This is really my second trip. I've pulled this frame and realized my camera started chiming to tell me it wasn't turned on, so daggone it. I put them back together and I'm going to try it again. Bees won't be so nice this time. This frame has a supersedure cell right here in the middle. I'm going to leave that there for now until I find my queen. If I don't find my queen, I'll not bother that, because something's telling them they need a new queen right now. They'll usually put their supersedure cells kind of towards the outsides on a honey frame. Found one the other day. It was a solid honey frame with just that one cell, queen cell, right in the center. Got quite a good bit of brood left on there. Rest full of pollen. Frames full of pollen, a lot of cat brood. Pollen also. That's also pollen. A little bit of cat brood. Pretty good frame of cat brood. I'm not seeing no eggs in it. That's all laid up with larvae. It's all laid up good. Yeah, they've about had enough of me. This is another good frame of larvae laid up. One good thing about having them shaken down to the bottom box, it makes your inspections a lot easier. I don't know what these girls are doing here. It's got jelly in it. I'm not seeing my queen. Sure. This is all full of nectar. I hate that frame. New wax. Foundation. Full frame of honey. Another full frame of honey. I'd like to get that out of the brood nest if I could. This is a really good frame of brood. I'll move that down. Here's another frame of cat brood. Oh well, that's about as good as I'm going to be able to do. I'm going to put that queen cell right back in the center of the hive. Looks like they might have already offed their queen, so I'll put that cell back in there and let them work that out. Well, guys, I didn't see no queen down here, and they've got the supersedure cell in there, so I'm just going to leave them alone and let them work it out, and I'll recheck them. And if they fail to make a queen, I'll just put a nuke in. But I'm gonna get these things back together. Thanks for watching.